First up this evening, after years of confusion about whether the INDECOM Act gives the investigative body the power to arrest, charge and prosecute members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the appeal court handed down a position today.
However, both the Police Federation and the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, are claiming victory in today's landmark ruling handed down by the appeal court. TVJ's Jeline Pearson has more.
For years, members of the force have been battling INDECOM in court whether it had the legal right to charge them. In its more than 100-page judgment, the appeal court, in a 2-to-1 split decision today, ruled that the INDECOM Act is not empowered by Section 20 of the Act, statute or common law to arrest, charge or prosecute any person for an offence. The appeal court further ruled that Section 20 of the Act does not empower the Commissioner of INDECOM or the investigative team to arrest, charge or prosecute any person for a criminal offence. However, INDECOM has latched on to a section of the ruling which states that the Act does not abrogate the common law right possessed by INDECOM Commissioner Terence Williams and members of his staff to bring charges and prosecute in a private capacity. This claim has been challenged by Chairman of the Police Federation, Sergeant Cecil McCullough.
Well, I'm not sure if the same court that INDECOM is referring to. I was in court, and from what I heard and from what I read so far, even though I'm not a lawyer, it's clear to me that the appeal court is saying that INDECOM should not arrest nor prosecute, and that is my understanding. We are extremely happy because we have been maybe the only voice out there in the wilderness since 2010 as it relates to this matter, and today the court is saying that the Police Federation was right.
He added that INDECOM is clutching at straws regarding the common law statute.
On the common law status, just about any citizen or anybody can do that. So it would not be anything special as it relates to powers given to INDECOM. Any citizen as a first responder, whilst a witness, a crime and an offense committed can do that. So that is nothing to gloat about as far as I'm concerned.